What's good, artists, musicians, and producers? It's your boy Zay from ZayTV, back at it with another video. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about uploading your music to all major platforms. I know a lot of you guys wonder how to get your music on iTunes, Spotify, Pandora, Tidal, every single platform there is out there. There is solutions to that. You can do it yourself without a record label, without a deal. And today we're going to talk about that. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. Let's talk about uploading your music to all the major platforms so that your friends, your fans, your supporters, everybody can play your music or stream your music on their favorite music platforms, and you get paid for that. I'm here to talk to you guys about how to do that without having a record label go through a distribution company. You as an independent artist can now upload your music to all major platforms, easy and fast. Releasing music can be pricey because some of y'all may know, if not all of you guys, may know about CD Baby and TuneCore. Those are the two main ones that I really know about. So they are distributors for independent artists to upload their music to all major platforms. With TuneCore, CD Baby, and so forth, I know that it gets pricey. It's like roughly $50 a year to upload your music, and every year you gotta pay to keep your music on there. And they charge for every project that you upload, roughly about $50 for that year, and then every other year after that for that particular project. So every project, every year, you gotta pay. With TuneCore, with CD Baby, with all those other guys out there. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about Superman of distribution companies, and that is DistroKid. Now with DistroKid, you can upload your music to all major platforms. It's $19.99 a year for you to upload unlimited. Did he just say that right? Yes, unlimited songs, unlimited tracks for the year. $19.99 per year. And that's unlimited projects, unlimited tracks, and you don't have to pay each time that you upload. Now with DistroKid, there's no cons that I can actually think of, but there are so many pros. I'm talking about DistroKid, you get 100% royalties. Every single dollar from streaming is yours. See, with TuneCore and CD Baby, you have to wait 2 to 4 weeks for your uploads to be ready. With DistroKid, it's 24 to 48 hours, guys. 24 to 48 hours. Come on. Now that had me sold for sure. And my friends over at DistroKid reached out to me. I got something for you guys. 7% off. Just hit the link. I mean, what else can you guys ask for? That's me showing love. Come on. Not only you're only paying $19.99 a year, but you just got 7% off to get your music in front of thousands or millions of people and get paid for it. Now tell me you guys don't love me for that. I'm hooking y'all up. Can't say I never did anything for you. What I'm gonna do here is jump in the computer and show you guys how easy it is to upload your music to DistroKid and get it out. So when you do sign up for DistroKid, you get led to this page right here, and I'm gonna show you guys here how easy it is to upload your first song, album, whatever it is. Let's just jump into this. So you see here everything, all the stores that DistroKid offers, and there's 150 other stores. You can go through those. Over here it asks you how many songs. You just put in how many songs. If it's an album, if it's a single, you put in 1. If it's an album, you put in how many songs that you do have. Here they ask you if you've previously released this song through any other distributors. If you have not, you hit no. If you have, hit yes. Here they ask for the artist name or band name. Now you do have to go through these instructions very carefully because you do want to know what you're putting in for distribution, because some of these companies, these platforms are very strict and have guidelines that you must follow. So here you want to put in your artist name, your stage name, your producer name, whatever the case may be. You do not want to use any other people's name, any other artist name, any label names that you're not affiliated with or legally and allowed to put. And even like features and stuff, you're not going to list that stuff here. So you just put in your name. I'm going to go with my producer name. I'm going to upload a speed. So 100K Zay. So over here you see it lets you know if they find somebody else on Amazon or Spotify with this name or whatever the case may be. If you are already on Amazon or Spotify, it usually comes up here and let you know. It gives you the option to see if that's your account, and you can select it from there. So because I have not uploaded any beats to any distribution companies or anything like that, it will be my first time, so that's why it says first artist name. So here they ask you the release date. We will put that, I'll put that as soon as possible so I can get this out there. But here you can choose what date you want it to be released, and that's mainly for Spotify. All the other companies, all the other platforms, they usually upload around 12 o'clock midnight. And here it asks you if you want to have it available on pre-order. So I won't be clicking yes for that. I'll leave it as it is. Now here they ask you for your record label. Now people always ask, if I don't have a record label or if I'm not signed or anything, what do I put? Now with this option right here, and because you're using DistroKid, you can make up whatever, as long as it's not taken and legit. You can make up your own record label here on the spot. Now here for album cover, what I'm gonna do here quickly is create a quick album cover. This is where you do have to be in mind that DistroKid only allows 3000 by 3000, and it has to be JPEG, JPG, where that is the best quality for them, because you don't want any blurry project arts, you don't want anything with Twitter names, you don't want anything with URLs, anything with website addresses or any of that will not be accepted into the stores. So be mindful of what you do upload for your cover art. Make sure that it is professional and up to requirements of what they do want. So after this, you just scroll through, select what do apply to your style of music. If it's English, then you select the genre. I'm gonna go with hip-hop, rap and hip-hop. And then subgenre, I'm gonna go with, let's see, do they have like, go with R&B and soul. Yeah. So the song title, you put the title of the song, and if it has any features, you put in brackets FEAT dot and the feature names. So after that, you scroll down and asks you, are you the songwriter? Is it an original song or is it a cover? You select whatever it is. Songwriter's real name. After that, you go in here and select the price that you want. Sell it for 69 cents, 99 cents, $1.29, depending on project that you're doing. And I mean, it's your personal preference. So here they do recommend that you do upload in WAV because that's the best quality, but you can upload MP3, FLAC, WMA, or M4A, or even CDDA. But I do recommend that you guys upload in WAV because it's the best quality. And I'm gonna get my WAV. And down here is where you can do the add-ons. Now, with this, it includes Instagram and Facebook, to where like if you go on your story on Instagram or Facebook and you slide up, you have the option to add music. Now this is where that plays in. So if you want to get your music on Instagram, Facebook, and all the social media platforms, you will want to select this option. Now store maximizer, this also drives up the amount a little bit, but it's $7.95 per year, and they would automatically add your song to any new online stores and streaming services that they add to their company. So every day there's new streaming platforms that come out and stuff like that, and you better be mindful, because you never know who will be the next Spotify, who will be the next iTunes. That's a pretty good add-on. That's a pretty good idea to use as an add-on. And then Shamaz and iPhone Siri. Now if you're out anywhere, if somebody's out and your song plays on the radio, plays anywhere, and they take out their phone and use Siri, they can ask what song this is, and using this option right here, they will be able to pull up your song, your name, and pull up the sound and everything, and you're in business from there. So you never know who's using that. And then also they have Leave a Legacy, where for $29, a one-time payment of $30, they would leave your song up even if you die. Your music will stay up for a lifetime, and you will receive 100% of royalties. Now after that, right here is the important notice checkbox. So here it states I selected YouTube Music as a store, so I won't email DistroKid later asking why you uploaded my music to YouTube. And the reason why they do that is because, like, you see these profiles, these YouTube accounts called various artists that upload music. Now a lot of people wonder, like, who's uploading my music to that is actually your distribution company. So that's where they put in mind, so you do not just come at them asking why is my music on somebody else's YouTube account. So that's them, that's through them. And then I recorded this music. I am authorized to sell it in stores worldwide and collect all royalties. Yes, I am not using any other artist's name, stage name, song titles, or album titles without their approval. No, we're not. And I have read and agreed with the terms of DistroKid distribution agreements. After you read that and check it out, you hit the check mark and then you're done. So see how easy that was. From there, it uploads everything, and within 24 hours to 48 hours, your music will be up and running on these major platforms, guys. If this is something that you've always wanted to do, if it is that you're looking to get your music on Spotify, you're looking to get your music on iTunes, wherever it is you're looking to get your music, you can do that with DistroKid. And for 7% off, all you guys have to do is click the link and you will be on your way to releasing music and having it stream live, and you guys will be getting paid in no time. Easy it is, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if it is that you guys think that I should do more videos on this and also promoting and marketing your music, just let me know in the comments down below. You guys let me know what it is that you guys want to see next, and I will be back with my beat making videos and so forth by Monday. I think I will be uploading every Monday and every Thursday for how-to videos and just other videos in general. But during the week, I'll be uploading my regular beats. So for those of you who are interested, artists, producers, just hit subscribe, check out the channel. I got music, I got beats, I got videos showing you guys how to do everything yourself, marketing, talking about everything that will help you guys in this industry and make a career out of your music, so you can do what you love and make a living from it. So thank you guys again for joining. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, go comment. Let me know if you guys are artists or producers. I want to know who all are producers and who all are artists. So go comment down below what you do. Don't forget to hit the link, get your 7% off for DistroKid, and get your music up and heard today, guys. No lacking, y'all already know. It's your boy Zay from ZayTV. See y'all on the next one. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all on the next video.